Good morning, folks. Jimmy Carroll with Moix RV here in Conway. Hey, I want to take a minute and introduce you to a 2021 Cedar Creek. This product is a phenomenal product. It's one of the luxury fifth wheels in the industry. To give you a little bit of peace of mind, we've kept this line since 1999. It's never left our lot. So we have history with this product. It's well built, represents the product well. Some of the features we're going to start with is the paint. This is a 4-stage automotive paint system with gel coat exterior. It's got some beautiful colors to it. Also features on the front of it the trail ride air system. This takes the dolphin effect out of the fifth wheel, so your travel ride is a much more comfortable ride. As you can see, folks, this unit features an abundant amount of underneath storage, as most fifth wheels do. The uniqueness of Cedar Creek is the cleanliness. I'm going to step in front of the camera to the other side just for a second to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. On this side of the trailer, you have your docking station. This station is equipped with all your drains, your winterization kit, your Santa flush. It has every feature in it you want. Unique to this trailer, you have the ability to operate a single slide out as opposed to moving them all in and out at one time. Very unique design, very unique features. 50 amp service, of course, on this size unit. Also features an easy reel electric power reel. Central vac system. These units, guys, have everything in the world a full-time RVer would want to have, or somebody that's just going to go for a week or two. It's got it all. You don't bend your knees to get down to dump your holding tanks. Your valves are inside this docking station, so you're not crawling underneath one looking for your dump valves. The features on this are abundant. We're going to go over some more of them as we get inside. All right, guys, inside this Cedar Creek, you're going to find some luxury. You know, the one advantage this manufacturer is always given is they've never cut corners on upholstery or furniture. Inside these, you're going to have lazy boy allure furniture. Electric theater seating opposite of your television. A rear trifold sofa that converts into a comfortable bed for adults if you have guests. You're going to get solid surface Corian countertops. The uniqueness of this product is it's in every piece they do. A Moix faucet. A residential cooktop with an actual residential oven in it. You can put a bird in here and not worry about it. You've got plenty storage, countertops, cabinetry, and the fit and finish of this product line pretty much says it all. If you ever get an opportunity to take a look at one of them, you'd never be disappointed. They're absolutely stunning in every aspect. They're going to feature fireplaces, DVD players installed. You've got so many amenities. You've got Wi-Fi routers installed, so no matter what campground you're in, if there's a signal, you can enhance that signal. USB ports in every nook, cranny, and corner in this trailer. Freestanding table and chairs. There's just so many amenities inside this product that you get. Not only do you get a blackout shade, which these guys do provide, but you also get a simple sunshade. So when you do want a little bit of light, you don't want total darkness, you can have both. It's got a little bit of everything for everybody, guys. Guys, I don't usually come in the bathroom with you, but I'm going to bring you in this because it's kind of unique. It does feature naturally a porcelain toilet, but a stand-up shower with a seat. Something built into it that you can sit down on and take a comfortable shower if you need to. Ladies, you got a place to shave your legs. On this side, I want you to take a look at this sink. It was very unique design. Again, Moix faucets are going to be in everything they put in the units, as well as antifreeze this time of year because there's still snowing in Indiana. But you've got space up here, counter space, as well as a large enough sink to do what you need to do. Plenty of storage in this bathroom, guys. If you get a chance, honestly, come take a look at this product. You won't be disappointed. This is the bedroom of the 36RL. It does feature a king bed in a slide. Ample room on both sides of this bed to get around. You've got place on the floor over here with electrical outlets for your CPAP machines if you have one. Opposite of this bed, you've got a built-in chest with LED lighting underneath it, your television opposite wall. In this unit, you're also going to have a feature that people are raving about. It's called the Cadet electric heater, which is built into the wall of this camper to give you some additional electric heat on those chilly mornings to knock the heat or the coolness out of the air. In this big wardrobe, and you can step into this closet on both sides, you're going to find your Wi-Fi router built in on one end, a built-in washer-dryer opportunity if you want to add it here in the front as well. Truly, guys, this is built for the long haul. If you get an interest for an RV, they're definitely worth a look. Come see us at Moix RV here in Conway. We'll be glad to show you around.